In 2024, finding the best stackable washer dryers is all about making laundry less of a chore and more about smart space-saving design. The standouts? They're super quiet, save on energy, and you can control them from your phone. But what really makes one better than the rest? Is it how well they clean and care for your clothes, or is it the cool touchscreens that make picking the right settings a breeze? These machines pack a punch in a small package. They come with steam to knock out wrinkles and quick wash options for those I need it now moments. It's all about getting the job done well without taking up too much space or time. The top stackable washer dryers of 2024 are here to make your life easier and your laundry day a bit brighter. Just make sure to follow our links for the latest deals and best prices. Let's go! Number 6. LG LGWADREW04. Best Budget Stackable Washer Dryer in 2024. The LG LGWADREW04 Stackable Washer Dryer is your best bet if you're watching your wallet but still want a laundry duo that does it all. Why is it so great for folks on a budget? Well, it's got this smart feature called active water technology that figures out exactly how much water your laundry load needs. No more wasting water, which means your bills could look a lot friendlier. And the space it offers is pretty sweet too. You can toss in up to 15.4 pounds of laundry. That's like 16 bath towels all in one go. It's got a bunch of wash cycles, 15 to be exact, for all your needs. Whether it's a quick 30-minute wash or a gentle cycle for your favorite jeans that keeps them looking sharp. What really sets it apart? The Speed Perfect mode. If you've ever been in a rush and needed your clothes done fast, this mode speeds things up by 40% without skimping on cleanliness. Plus, it's super quiet thanks to its eco-silence motor, and it won't shake your floorboards with its anti-vibration design. For the listed price, this is one mean machine duo. Number 5. The Samsung SAWADREW60001. Best Value Stackable Washer Dryer in 2024. The Samsung SAWADREW60001 Stackable Washer Dryer is a real deal for anyone looking to stretch their dollars in the laundry room. With its big 4.5 cubic foot capacity, you can wash more clothes in fewer loads. That's less time doing laundry and more time for you. What's cool about this one? It's really quiet thanks to Samsung's VRT technology. No more loud spinning or vibrations, even with a heavy load. Great for keeping the peace if your laundry setup is near your living room or bedroom. The Self-Clean Plus feature is a standout too. It keeps the inside of your washer clean without any harsh chemicals, and even reminds you to run a cleaning cycle every now and again. That means less fuss and muss for you over time. Got a smartphone? The Smart Care feature lets you quickly figure out any issues without having to call customer service. A few taps and you've got answers and solutions right there. For those watching their budget, the Samsung SAWADREW60001 gives you some neat premium features without making your wallet cry. It's all about doing laundry smarter and quieter, showing that good value doesn't mean cutting corners on the cool stuff. Number 4. Electrolux ELWADRET7503. Best Stackable Washer Dryer in 2024 for advanced cleaning. The Electrolux ELWADRET7503 Stackable Washer Dryer is a standout for anyone who wants their clothes super clean without a fuss. It's got some cool tricks up its sleeve that make laundry day a breeze. Ever noticed how some clothes still feel soapy even after a wash? The Pure Rinse feature knocks that out without needing extra water. Great for anyone who gets itchy from detergent leftovers. If you've got no time to waste, the 15-minute fast wash has your back. It's perfect for when you need that one outfit cleaned yesterday. The LuxCare Plus Wash system is where things get fancy. It makes sure your detergent is spread out evenly and adjusts the wash to get everything just right. It's like having a tiny laundry expert inside your machine. Worried about germs or allergies? The sanitize and allergen options are superheroes, zapping bacteria and allergens, making your towels and sheets safer for everyone. And the adaptive dispenser? It doesn't matter what soap you throw at it, liquid, powder, pods, it'll use it to get your clothes clean. Add in perfect steam for lifting dirt and gentle cycles for hand wash only items, plus some extra features to keep your clothes fresh if you can't switch them to the dryer right away, and you've got a washer dryer that's all about getting your laundry done smarter, not harder. Excellent stuff. Number 3. Bosch 300 Series BOWADREW7. Best quiet stackable washer dryer in 2024. The Bosch 300 Series BOWADREW7 washer dryer is a quiet powerhouse, perfect for anyone who wants their clothes clean without the noise. Its clever active water technology checks out how much laundry you've got and uses just enough water to get it done right. That's smart and saves on your water bill too. Got a lot of laundry? No problem. This machine can handle up to 16 bath towels in one go. That's a lot of laundry done quickly, saving you time for more fun stuff. With 15 wash cycles, there's a setting for every kind of load. Need to wash your favorite shirt fast? The quick 30-minute wash has you covered. And the Speed Perfect mode speeds things up by 40%, which is great when you're in a rush. Love your jeans? There's a special cycle just for denim, keeping your blues looking good. What really sets this machine apart is how quietly it runs, thanks to its eco-silence motor. Even when it's hard at work, it barely makes a peep. And the design cuts down on shaking, so it's steady as a rock. It's also designed to save space because the washer plugs right into the dryer, and it's energy efficient, meaning good things for both the planet and your wallet. All in all, the Bosch 300 series is like the ninja of washer dryers. Super efficient, super quiet, and ready to tackle any laundry challenge without making a fuss. Number 2. Miele MIWADREW7. Best premium stackable washer dryer in 2024. The Miele MIWADREW7 is like the Rolls-Royce of washer dryers. It's got a decent size that fits pretty much anywhere you want, under counters or stacked up to save space. It's for those who don't mind splurging a bit for top-notch laundry days. Its honeycomb drum is super gentle on clothes, less ironing for you because it practically does the smoothing out for you. Who wouldn't love that? This thing is also inclusive with its direct sensor user interface. It's designed so everyone can use it easily, even if seeing's a bit of a challenge. High marks for thinking about everyone. And it's smart, with Wi-Fi Connect. Control your laundry from your phone wherever you are. Forget to start a load before heading out, a few taps and it's running. The Captos feature is like having a mini chemist inside, picking the perfect detergent for whatever you're washing, be it gym clothes or a silk scarf. Each capsule matches a specific fabric, so your clothes get exactly what they need. Ever started a wash and then found a sock lurking under the bed? With Add Laundry, you can chuck it in mid-cycle. And the soft steam option gives your clothes a quick steam bath at the end of the cycle, making them come out feeling pampered and wrinkle-free. With fast spin speeds and tons of cycles, the Miele MIWADREW7 isn't just another appliance, it's a premium upgrade for your laundry routine. Number 1. LG LGWADREW40004. Best stackable washer dryer in 2024 overall. The LG LGWADREW40004 stackable washer dryer is a solid pick if you're after something that gets the job done well without taking up a ton of space. Its 4.5 cubic foot capacity means you can throw in a good amount of clothes, from big towels to all the week's outfits, and still have room for more. Here's the cool part. It has this Turbo Wash 360 feature. Basically, it blasts your clothes with water from all angles, getting them clean super fast. Even a big load gets done in less than 30 minutes. Perfect for when you've got loads to do but no time to waste. And if you're trying to be a bit more eco-friendly, you'll like the cold wash option. It cleans your clothes in cold water just as well as in warm, which saves energy and keeps your clothes in great shape. With the LG ThinQ app, you can start your laundry while you're out and about. Plus, the dryer will even choose the right settings based on what you've washed, thanks to some smart tech. It's also built to last. There's a 10-year warranty on its motor, and it runs quietly. The sleek glass door on the front adds a touch of class, so it won't look out of place if it's not hidden away in a closet. Amazing stuff. And that's the end of the line for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Before we go, answer this. Do you think it's better to invest in a premium tier product, or do budget-friendly options have what it takes to deliver the goods? Stay safe and have a good one.